Alternative products exist for ceiling tile detector braces. One option is the Cooper B-Line 9040 series seismic brackets. These brackets are designed for use with ceiling tiles, and they feature a hinged design that allows for easy installation in tight spaces. They also have a built-in strain relief to prevent cable damage. Another option is the Hilti CD-Eon series ceiling detector braces. These braces provide a secure mounting solution for smoke and heat detectors in ceiling tiles. They have a low-profile design that minimizes interference with other ceiling components. Consider the Legrand Wiremold CDU series ceiling detector mounts. These mounts are available in various sizes to accommodate different ceiling tile dimensions. They feature a quick connect mechanism for easy installation and removal. The Omniguard CA100 series detector brackets are also available. These brackets are designed for use with 6-inch or 8-inch ceiling tiles. They have a two-piece construction that allows for easy installation and adjustment. You can also consider RACO 3400 series ceiling detector hangers. These hangers are made of durable steel and have a wide base for added support. They are designed for use with 6-inch or 8-inch ceiling tiles. When installing detector braces in challenging spaces, consider the following tips. Firstly, use a thin, flexible wire to extend the reach of your hand into tight spaces. Secondly, trim any excess insulation or use a flexible putty knife to move it out of the way. Thirdly, use a flashlight to illuminate dark areas and help locate the support grid. Fourthly, consider using a ladder or step stool to gain access to higher areas. Fifthly, if possible, have an assistant hold the detector and bracket in place while you secure the hanger.